I'm Shatbhi Basu, and today I'm going to show you a really delicious drink that is spectacular for summer. The first thing I'm going to do is fill this glass with ice. I'm going to begin with some lychee juice. This is simply packaged lychee juice. I'm pouring in about 120 ml. I'm going to pour a little bit of lime juice. Just enough to make it nice and refreshing, about 10 ml. I've got coconut water here, so I'm going to top it up with coconut water. And last, this is rose syrup. Now we all know the benefits of rose syrup in summer. And so in goes the rose syrup, just about 10 ml. I'm going to give it just a slight stir so that our drink turns nice and pink. Look how beautiful this looks. I've got some rose petals here. I'm going to sit the rose petals on top, just like that. And here we have this beautiful drink, and I call it Eastern Elixir. Cheers!